Do you need to move money between your accounts? That's easy. Follow these steps to complete a one-time or recurring transfer within your own accounts. Log in to your Blue Eagle Credit Union account on a desktop or your mobile app. Click the icon that says Money on the mobile app or Move Money on the desktop. Click Payment and Transfers. You are able to now determine which account to pull the money from, also called the origin account, and where it needs to go, the destination account. Click From Account. Your available accounts will appear on this pop-up screen. Once you click the account to pull the funds from, again called the origin account, the main transfer screen will reappear and the chosen account will be in the origin box. To click To Account and choose the destination account where the funds will be deposited. Once the accounts are chosen, there are options for creating a one-time immediate transfer or recurring transfer. If the transfer should be a date in the future, change the starting date accordingly. That can be done for both a one-time transfer and a recurring transfer. At this point, the accounts are chosen, the date and the frequency is entered, and the amount is added. If there is a short memo you would like to include at the bottom, there are 30 characters available for you to use. Review the transfer details for accuracy and click Submit. A successful transfer pop-up will appear. You're all set. Find out more of our tips on our website at blueeaglecreditunion.com.